and girls, welcome back to the channel. We got some exciting stuff happening today.
Well, before we finish, if there's any bits there that you could use, it's daft. I thought, I'm not trying to get rid of it on you, but I'd hate you to say, God, why didn't you ask me if I wanted it? There was a bit on it.
Of course, I'll have a look for it.
Yeah.
You don't mind me filming a little bit here, do you?
No, feel free.
Oh, thank you.
During the last of Rojo show, we wanted to go through some of the stuff in case there's any massive bits, anything you don't want, we just bin.
Yeah, I'll let you know.
Yeah. So what's this?
My garage.
Cheers! Come on, Raza! Yeah. Looking sick.
Crazy.
Bro, I'm fucking hyped for you. This fucking place is fat. Bro, this is like definitely bigger than my shit. 100%.
Definitely get too close.
Easily, man. Jam one of them in the corner here.
Yeah. Jam
Like
on the
that.
corner, work on one.
Yeah, exactly. Come on, man. But yeah, what? You got bare free stuff, no gearbox?
Yeah.
I spoke to my brother that we used to live here, and he now lives just outside Brighton. I said, Mike, I know you drive like, how long does it take you door to door? He said 45 minutes.
Yeah.
Stop.
It's definitely doable.
What's the time now?
It took us an hour today.
Yeah,
With
well,
the traffic, with loads of traffic.
It's
Yeah,
amazing.
about an hour and 10 or so.
Anything,
Yeah.
when you get familiar to it,
Yeah.
it gradually
Yeah,
shrinks.
definitely.
Yeah, exactly. This door is so sick as well. I fuck with the door.
We're reversing in.
Yeah,
Instagram.
for the clip. Should I film portrait?
Yeah.
Okay, but where from? Which angle?
If you have this open, you don't want me to catch it.
Yeah.
Just put that on there.
That's old school.
I'm old school.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Very
nice.
old school.
That's good, man. Tell me how you want me to film?
Just film like here.
Yeah.
Now reverse it.
Reverse in. Boy. Damn. Hyped.
So, my son won't believe this. He thinks it's all part of the plot on mine. More in next place.
I'll be hyped. Are
What's
you
that
hyped?
feeding?
There's a. I'll show you. It's literally right there. It goes through into the.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
My silver one I sold had a. This was all heavily modified.
Yeah.
Wheels were like that, and
Yeah. That's good.
it handled like a dream. The only
Yeah.
trouble is, it was an absolute bugger on potholy, humpy roads.
Oh,
yeah. Oh,
impossible.
this is
I-
horrible. Yeah.
I'd be
Yeah,
touching
yeah.
because I had a big wide oval bar one across here
Yeah.
and another one underneath. And I used to touch it on the local roads.
Yeah.
But when you get to know the roads, you know where you
Yeah.
have a black and where you've got to back
Yeah,
off.
exactly.
Yeah.
Learn
I
how
got
to
my-
weave them.
My subframe on the floor.
It's bent now, isn't it?
Yeah,
From
the
that.
subframe is bent. So I need a new
The other
subframe.
thing which you might find interesting is that they've usually got at least 2 of these in the scrapyard next door.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's good. That's very good.
So
I'll have a look now.
I say that too because for those of us who are into this,
Yeah.
if there's something there
Yeah,
and you
yeah,
want
yeah.
it, have a word with me because I know them. I got
Okay.
their metal recycling
Easy.
license. I'm getting it at a very favourable price.
Yeah.
Nice,
Okay.
perfect. It's just there anyway.
Yeah, I mean, it could be closer, could it?
No.
Literally couldn't.
So I'm just chilling. I think Raz is on the phone to someone. But yeah, this is his new spot. He's definitely one-upped me, I would say. But that's obviously a good thing. That dude in a blue coat owns this place. His name is Rojo, and he's cool as fuck. Yeah, I don't even know what to say, man. He just showed me his house. He's like an old architect. He just loves building stuff. This place is so lit. Bro, literally, this is like...
So heavy.
He showed me all of his architecture stuff.
Oh, yeah?
It's so sick.
Yeah.
Upstairs, my guy has 6-bedroom flat. 6 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms.
3 bathrooms.
You're gonna ask him, it's not finished yet. It's almost finished.
Almost finished, and then I can ask him to rent a room.
Tell me what you think. Tell me your...
Looking pretty hyped. And my car's gonna be sick.
Yeah, your car is already sick. Come on. Yay. Instagram.
Mahusive.
Stand on the fucking table, you know what I mean? Stand on the wheels here. Watch the nails. They've got nails.
I see them. That's why I didn't jump.
Yeah, good. Spider-Man climbing the edge.
That was a sick shot though.
Yeah, it's good.
This is gonna be the ending shot of the film.
Yeah, nice. Oh my god.
Raze. This one. SSR. Yeah, and these are, it fits this, so these are like SSR caps. This is what it is. Whoa. Yeah, look, it fits that perfectly.
This is crazy. Spare engine. 1.8.
Yeah.
We didn't film yet.
Rebuild.
As you said, it's missing like half the stuff now.
Yeah.
Center console.
No, it's got everything.
Black.
It's got the long block. That's for Mark II.
Do they not fit?
No. Here. Look, this engine stand.
Bro, can I borrow that?
Yeah.
Because I need to put my shit on there.
Yeah.
Sealy, yeah, Sealy's good.
Yeah,
That's the one I was
50
gonna
kilos.
get. 350 kilos.
Yeah.
My shit's heavier than that, no?
Google it.
How much is an M52 weigh
Google it.
in kilos? You wanna flex your wheels too? These are spares.
4-bits question mark. I don't know what they are. Put it in the comments. If you know what they are, show them some markings. Oh, 6J14, ET38. And then, yeah, nothing else. But here in the back, there's some bullshit. It says Monte Carlo. And it says France. So there's some French wheels. OEM maybe. Nah, these must be real then. If they're made in France, mate. Not Monte Carlo, it's Monte Carlo. Oh shit. The neck stands as well, that'll be alright. It's supposed to be decent.
I'm pretty sure it's an E.
Yeah, next N.
Next N.
Next N. Yeah.
Yep.
Show them the bride.
Oh, what, this bride? I think we know your bride, no?
Oh, I don't think anyone knows about it.
Really? Why would people not know about your bride?
I don't know, I don't think anyone knows about it.
Oh, wait, but is this... I feel like you're trying to spoil your car check video.
Oh shit. Coming soon?
Coming soon.
No way. Next video?
Yeah,
No.
well, soon.
When I get lights.
Yeah, that's it. Now, we'll go in the wild, bro. We'll go somewhere in the...
No, we should do it in the garage.
In here,
Yeah.
to flex.
Flex. I'll sit next to it.
With the chair. Bro, should we do it now? You have to prepare. Prepare your car for the video.
Yeah, okay, sexy. I've decided I'm not going to a drift day.
What?
Yeah.
Do you want to come anyway to
Yeah,
chill?
I'll come.
Okay.
I'm not going to drive.
All right.
Yeah. I'll do it. Make the car sexy. That's it.
All right. Well, that's fine. I'm gonna go drive. So 20th September, drift day.
Yeah, sorry. Maybe I'll change my mind.
To be fair, maybe I'll just
If I trailer it, I'll come.
get 5 collab.
Collab thing, yeah. Look at this shelf.
Bro, you've got everything.
Yeah, it's a garage, ready to go, like ready to use.
Lit.
When I pulled up, he was like, "Oh, this looks like something that used to be an MX-5." I was like, "Yeah, it was one day."
Oh god. It's very MX-5, I would say. Still, it just has like some spicy stuff on it, you know.
And lights off. Oh, they all come on with one. Bless.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
Ah, look at this. Ooh, yummy. The Silver Coupe is looking beautiful. Look at these, man. These are all made by me. Damn. This is a previous run by Bevsky. This is brand new run now. These are live as you're watching this video. Go to the link in the description, rogueworld.co. This is how it's spelled, just in case you're wondering. rogueworld.co. Link in the description. Get yourself some fresh stickers designed by your boy, made by your boy. We've got the Rogue tag as well, just in case you're going for something a little more simple.
At the moment, we have the 2-color throwy as well, in different sizes. And we've got the drive fast brake rules available as well on the website.
And there's a special bundle on there with an exclusive sticker.
Check the link in the description. Go get yourself some Rogue stickers. Only if you want your car to look as fresh as the Silver Coupe, of course.
Yup.
Since we're at the Silver Coupe, why not do some work to it? If you remember when I was installing the red carpet in the black coupe, if you haven't seen that video, go to the channel, check it out. So hyped about having a red carpet in there now. But I took out the non-armrest, non-ashtray center console from the black coupe, which is a piece that I'd actually dreamed of owning for a long time before I put in the black coupe. And it actually came in a flip car that I had back in the day. If you remember, I had a 325i Saloon 1991 SE, and that's the center console that came in it. So I just switched them out, armrest, ashtray, black coupe one with this non-armrest, non-ashtray piece. But since the black coupe is not going to be a drift car anymore, I kind of want to armrest in it. And seeing as the silver coupe has definitely transcended into being a proper drift car now, I think it deserves to be rid of this armrest center console that I put in it a long time ago. If you're not looking for some more content from me, if you are looking for some unseen content, which you may have seen already, go to my old channel, Bimmer Alex. There's actually a lot of videos on there that are currently popping off in a weird way. I've got a video installing an air filter on this thing that's got like 85,000 views. Really weird, really weird. The video where I changed the armrest is also on there. You can check that out. I was not so good at making car videos back then at all. So as well as this armrest, I did actually pick up a parcel shelf for this thing. Believe that. Again, if you remember, when I bought this car back in 2020, majority of the interior was actually stripped. So I had to put it back in. But one piece I couldn't find for the longest time was a rear parcel shelf for a coupe with a third brake light. Unfortunately, this was a 6-pot car, so it had the rear headrests, which my car obviously doesn't have. Oh, that's a lie. Yeah, it does. Ha, that's kind of sick. Looks like I need to find some headrests for this thing now. I'm gonna add those bits now and let you know how I get on. Okay, I'm in the back of the silver coupe, chilling with my new parcel shelf. Yet to install it, because I do actually want to look into detinting these windows. And I feel like the rear windshield would be much easier to detint without the parcel shelf being on there. Anyway, center console is pretty much, it's kind of impossible. Center console is basically out. I've got the main bit out. I'm just working on getting the armrest itself off. Because this is a non-armrest car to start with, I never installed the armrest properly. Kind of weird and difficult to access. I remember this being a bit of a fiddly job to start with. But making good progress. I'm gonna yank this out. Yeah, look at that. Non-armrest, non-ashtray, center console in the drift car. Very happy. Some of you might be wondering why I deleted the armrest. Even though this is a drift car, it's still a BMW. It's still actually quite comfy to cruise in, weirdly enough. But I do really like the basic non-option sort of situation that the non-armrest, non-ashtray center console provides. Plus, because I sit quite low and I like the steering wheel quite close to me, where my elbow sits, if the armrest is down, if I'm like flicking the wheel with my left-handed tool, my left elbow hits the armrest. So it's a slight hazard. This is why I decided to remove it. I'm gonna be feeling way more comfortable chucking this steering wheel around, knowing that there's nothing to get in the way of my elbow. In the back, we now have a parcel shelf. After all this time, there's now a parcel shelf. Look at that. This car, officially now, has complete interior. Real happy. And looking ultra fresh with the new stickers. I think that's gonna be it for this video. I wanna thank you for watching. Definitely subscribe to the channel. There's gonna be way more content on this soon. I've got a drift day booked in the next couple of weeks, so expect some footage of that. Check out the previous videos. They should be on the screen for you now. Follow me on Instagram at Rogue Drive. Go to the description, rogueworld.co. Pick yourself up some fresh new stickers, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.